Are you ready for a Valentine's Day craft? We are going to take this pillow cover, and when we're done with it, it is going to look great for the holiday. If you can sew, you can even save the money on this pillow cover. I like pillow covers because then I don't have to have all of these additional pillows, throw pillows that I have to find places to put. You just exchange the cover, fold it up, and say bye-bye, I'll see you next year. First thing I'm going to do is iron this, and I'm just going to be putting it into my automatic heat press. It'll iron it in no time, and then we can get started on our plan here. I cut a piece of poster board and I'm going to stick it in here. I'm going to do the glossy side up. I've never used this before. I saw it at the craft store and I thought, oh, this is interesting. Let's try it. And it's Tattered Angels Color Wash Tint. It's a one-step water-based tint for natural surfaces and pretty pink, and it's really ideal for wood, wicker, and non-coated surfaces. But who says you can't use it on fabric, right? Fabric is non-coated, and I tested it out here. It worked, and I tested it out on a piece of canvas. It worked there also. I like that it is very liquidy. I poured a little into a cup and then just took one of my brushes, and all I did was brush little blobs of it all over the pillow cover. And I didn't pay that much attention to the shape. I wanted roughly the same size. Some are going to be bigger, some are going to be smaller, and I did 3 rows of 3. And I knew they were going to kind of bleed, and I knew I would like the look of that. So in total, I put 9 spots on there. I want to set these colors so they don't continue to bleed because I like how they look. I'm going to put it right into my heat press. I still have the paper in there and everything. I'll do it in 2 phases here. It'll just help dry it too. I went into Cricut Design Space and I created a new project. I found a heart that I liked, put it on the canvas, and sized it to what I needed. I needed 9 of them. I created a new project, and then I just ran it through the Cricut machine where it cut it on the iron on vinyl. Now that it's all been cut, I am just going to pick out the parts that I don't need, which is the inside of the hearts. All I'm looking for is the outline, and it's easier to do it when it's stuck on your mat. So I'm going to cut off this excess before I remove the rest of the vinyl, because this is a perfectly good piece to use for another project. So now I'm going to just remove this big chunk and just leave the outlines. It takes a little work to pull that excess vinyl off, then the hearts are ready to go. Break out a good pair of scissors for this next part, and be careful not to cut the actual black parts. The color's all set. They're all different shapes and sizes, which is what I wanted. I'm going to just put them right on here. I'm all about eyeballing this, and if it's not perfect, I just feel like then you know it's handmade. All right, take one last look. Adjust anything if you need to. And into the press they go. I put the pillowcase with the hearts on there in the heat press. I have the temperature at around 315 degrees for 15 seconds, and I like to do it twice just to make sure that the vinyl is on there very securely. Once everything is cool, I just peel off that plastic. All right, check it out. The easiest pillows to make. I love these. I love how some of it has pink in there, some of them don't, and it's just all varied. And they look so cute. Simple, 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 and inexpensive. I'm gonna go put this on the pillow. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you love the pillow. And if you wanna see other projects, you know that I have a website, craftclatch.com, and you can find everything there. If you wanna see another pillow project, check out this one. Remember to follow, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the pillow. And do you have a Cricut or a silhouette at home? I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter, and I will catch you next time.